What's up, everybody? Tommy Cassano, founder of Outdoor Body in Olympic and National Park. We are in the Hoh Rainforest, getting after it. Green is an understatement in this place, overgrown with moss and fern and trees and wildlife. This place is truly wild, and I have an Outdoor Body peak boxing workout for you. Peak meaning 20 minutes non-stop, the highest level. So we're going through a lot of combinations. We're building up a big combination. So make sure you watch tutorials. We're gonna be doing 1, 2, 3, 2. We're gonna be doing 4 uppercuts. We're gonna be doing roll, roll, step backs, step back uppercuts. So I'll always, before the longer combinations, I'll go it slow, maybe 1 or 2 times, and then I'll start speeding up. So it's 1 minute non-stop. We have a combination of boxing movement, then we're gonna go into a full body, mostly like a core type movement. So 1 minute non-stop, either combo or full body movement exercise. It's 20 minutes non-stop. Are you ready for the peak here in Hoh Rainforest? I hope you are, because we are getting after it right now. Here we go. We're gonna start off with in and outs in 3, 2, 1. Boxing stance right here, gloves up, in and out, forward, back, forward, back. Here we go. Let's get it. And just to let you know, there's like roots and things going on the ground here, so if I kind of like look weird sometimes if I step on a root, don't worry, it's just me in the ground. I'm all good. You just worry about you and your foot placement, where your hips are moving, making sure you're flowing with this peak boxing workout. 30 seconds, let's get it. Here we go. Little bit of a warm-up boxing for you. 15 seconds. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On our booties right here. We're going right into bicycles, nice and slow. There's a root. Here we go. I just want you to focus on full extension, locking out. No reason to go 150% just yet. I want you to really engage the core, loosen up, twisting side to side, proper movement. Locking out. Let's go. "15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Ooh, got stuff on my back. Here we go. Jump rope. Remember, jump rope on the balls of your feet, elbows in tight. I want you turning your wrists the whole time. Super important. Warm up the wrists. Even though we don't have gloves on, we're not hitting something, it's always good to loosen up the wrists, especially with boxing and with the type of movements we do in outdoor body workouts. Let's go. And this, I consider it boxing cardio movement for sure. The depth and density of Hoh Rainforest. I mean, the only word to describe it is wild. It is so wild in here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got high plank shoulder taps. So right here, just tapping the shoulders. You can open up the hips a little bit. I like to squeeze, hit the core muscles, serratus, dig into that side tap, making sure the shoulders are directly above the wrist as always when you're planking. I'll call out if I want you to stabilize and keeping the core tight. with no hip movement. For this one, you can do a little hip movement to open up. 20 seconds. Let's go. Next one we're doing is a roll. I just feel like there's bugs and things crawling all over me. So if I'm like slapping my skin and stuff, don't worry. 2, 1. Here we go. So boxing stance right here. Look at my footwork. It's just roll. So think of just stepping and stepping, but coming underneath, under. Call it all unders or rolls. Let's go. And we're just warming up because we're going to be doing a lot of rolls in this workout. One minute, let's go. Breathing, core tight, let's go. 20 seconds. 15. 10 seconds, let's get it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have our flutter kicks. So right here on our back, flutter, ladder. I want your hands underneath your booty, especially as you're coming up. Right here, flutter ladder, all the way up, all the way down. Let's go. Woo! That core is nice and warmed up now. Let's go. 30 seconds. Let's get it. If I didn't mention, this is the hall of mosses. Moss everywhere. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So we got now 1, 2, roll. Jab, cross, roll. 1, 2, roll. Ooh, 1, 2, roll. That root, 2, roll. Let's go. Jab, cross, roll. Notice after that cross, you come right underneath. 1, 2, roll. 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 Let's go. 2, roll. 1, 2, roll. 20 seconds. 2, roll. 1, 2, roll. 1, 2, roll. 1, 2, roll. 1, 2, 10 seconds. Roll. 1, 2, roll. 1, 2, roll. Let's get it. 1, 2, roll. Here we go. Low plank right here. Just running, tapping. See my knees tapping the ground. Call it low plank runners. Let's go. Bring it back. Let's get it. Stay strong. Stay with me. Approaching minute 8. These combinations are going to start getting longer. So once again, I'll give you the combination once or twice, nice and slow, walk you through it. And in the last 45 seconds, it's turn up time, baby. Let's go. 20 seconds left. Come on. 15 seconds. We're going 1, 2, roll, step back 4. Remember, 4 is an uppercut. You're only stepping back with your back foot. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We got 1, 2, roll, step back, uppercut. 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 See over here. 1, 2, roll, step back, uppercut. 1, 2, roll, roll, step back, uppercut. 1, 2, roll, roll, step back, uppercut. 1, 2, roll, step back, uppercut. 1, 2, roll, roll, step back, uppercut. 1, 2, roll, roll, step back, uppercut. 1, 2, roll, step back, uppercut. Let's go. 1, 2, roll, roll, step back, uppercut. One more. 2, roll, roll, step back, uppercut. Here we go. Feet on the ground. We are crunching down, straight up. Yep, if you haven't noticed, I decided we're doing all core with this boxing peak. Coming up, down, breathe in, nice and slow, coming up, down. Notice I'm going slow. I'm not just crunching like this, down, core tight, squeezing, coming up. Remember, you gotta contract the belly button. If you can't put your hands behind the head, you can always go right here. 20 seconds left, let's go. Oh yeah. Next combo, we're going 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll, step back, 4. So just adding a 1, 2, 1, 2. 2, 1. Here we go. So we got 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll, step back, uppercut. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll, step back, uppercut. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll, step back, uppercut. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll, step back, uppercut. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll, step back, uppercut. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll, step back, uppercut. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll, step back, uppercut. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll, step back, uppercut. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll, step back, uppercut. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll, step back, uppercut. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll, step back, uppercut. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll, step back, uppercut. One more time. 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll, step back, uppercut. Here we go. Side plank on the right. Right here. I want you crunching, lock out. This is the peak, baby. Let's go. This is meant to be hard. Full stop, full non-stop. The hardest of the outdoor body. Can always do it twice. Make it a 40-minute workout. We got mobility stretching before. Let's go. 30 seconds. Belly button to spine. Core tight. Squeezing and crunching, babe. Let's get it. Come on. Stay with me. Hotter it burns, harder it dries. Let's go. Come on. Let's get it. Next, we're getting 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll. Step back. 4, 3, 2. One more crunch. Lock out. Here we go. I'm adding on. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll. Step back. 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll. Step back. Uppercut. Hook. Straight. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll, step back, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll, step back, 4, 3, 2. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll, step back, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll, step back, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll, step back, uppercut, 2. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll, step back, 4, 3, 2. One more, let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll, step back, 4, 3, 2. Ooh, it's getting longer. Here we go. We're on the left side, crunching. Let's get it. Let's go. Belly button to spine, core tight. Making the Hoh Rainforest proud, baby. Let's get it. Come on. So next, it's a little different, but it's gonna add on at the end. We're gonna go jab. So just a 1, roll, roll. Then after that roll, we got 3, 2, 3. So you're rolling and then rolling right into that hook, cross, hook. Then that step back 4, 3, 2. So it's gonna be 1, roll, roll, 3, 2, 3, step back, 4, 3, 2. Told you it's adding on. Just watch me for the first 2, go slow, and then pick it up. Here we go. So we got jab, roll, roll, 3, 2, 3, step back, 4, 3, 2. Once again, we got to just a jab, roll, rolling into that 3, 2, 3, step back, 4, 3, 2. Jab, roll, roll, 3, 2, 3, step back, 4, 3, 2. Let's go. Jab, roll, roll, 3, 2, 3. I almost forgot it there. 4, 3, 2. Let's go. Jab, roll, roll into that 3, 2, 3, step back, 4, 3, 2. Jab, roll, roll, 3, 2, 3, step back, 4, 3, 2. Let's go. Jab, roll, roll, 3, 2, 3, step back, 4, 3, 2. One more. Jab, roll, roll, 3, 2, 3, step back, 4, 3, 2. I know that's a big one. Here we go. We're getting into our levers, flat on the ground. Straight up, lock out. Straight up, lock out. Woo. So next we're basically doing that combination again, but we're just gonna be doing 1, 2. So 1, 2, roll, roll, 3, 2, 3, step back, 4, 3, 2. Core tight, levering up, belly button to spine. Just watch the lower back, especially on this ones. Man, that root is getting me the whole time. Woo! Let's go. Getting wild out here. Let's get it. 2, 1. Here we go. We have 1, 2, roll, roll, 3, 2, 3, step back, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, roll, roll, 3, 2, 3, step back, 4, 3, 2. Let's go. 1, 2, roll, roll, 3, 2, 3, step back, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, roll, roll, 3, 2, 3, step back, 4, 3, 2. Let's get it. 1, 2, roll, roll, 3, 2, 3, step back, 4, 3, 2. Here we go. 1, 2, roll, roll, 3, 2, 3, step back, 4, 3, 2. Let's go. 1, 2, roll, roll, 3, 2, 3, step back, 4, 3, 2. Come on. 1, 2, roll, roll, 3, 2, 3, step back, 4, 3, 2. One more. 1, 2, roll, roll, 3, 2, 3, step back, 4, 3, 2. We got wild crunches right here. Wild stance, crunching up, crunching up. Let's go. Oh yeah. Almost there. Stay with me. Stay wild. Let's go. Let's go wild out here in Hoh Rainforest. We're on one. Come on. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The last one. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll. 3, 2, 3. Step back. 4, 3, 2. It all comes together. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll. 3, 2, 3. Step back. 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll. 3, 2, 3. Step back. 4, 3, 2. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll. 3, 2, 3. Step back. 4, 3, 3, 2. Come on. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll. 3, 2, 3. Step back. 3, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll. 3, 2, 3. Step back. 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll. 3, 2, 3. Step back. 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll. 3, 2, 3. Step back. 4, 3, 2. One more. 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll, roll. 3, 2, 3. Step back. 4, 3, 2. Woo! High plank to low plank. Last minute. Closing strong. Let's go. Stay with me. Down and up. Come on. 30 seconds. Finish strong. We're almost there. "15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! There you go. Outdoor body boxing peak workout here in Hoh Rainforest. Remember, mobility before, stretching after. You can always do this 2 times in a row, 40 minutes non-stop. Thank you for joining me and getting wild out here in Hoh Rainforest. I'll see y'all next time for the outdoor body workout. Let's get it. Let's stay wild.